Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. So I have bought a brand new OnePlus 5 smartphone today. So I thought I would do a unboxing video on this one. Actually OnePlus 5 is available in two variants. One is with a 64GB internal memory with 6GB RAM and 125GB internal memory and 8GB RAM. So this is of 64GB internal memory, and the color is slate gray. So looking on the package, nothing about the specification is written here. So on the side you can see here it's specifically written dual camera clear photos, which means they are mainly focusing on the camera specification. So let's go for the unboxing of the phone. Let's try opening this package. So if I'm just opening this one, yes, you can see here the brand new OnePlus 5 phone is here, and which look good. The package is also good, and let's try taking the complete package. So here is the phone. It's a well packed and looking very good. So let's keep it aside and check what all things are inside this package. So on the top itself, the phone was put here, and it's looking good and it was placed very nicely. And let's open this one, and inside this there is a booklet about OnePlus 5, and here is also something we have to see. And here can open this, I guess. Yes, we can open this, and if you are opening this one, we can see here a quick start guide, and it's explaining everything about the phone here inside this one. So it's a normal thing about all others our phone is having. The booklet is here. It's showing where the alert button, and what about the USB. The USB written is USB type C, and it's dual nano SIM slot, and the power button is here. Okay, and let's see what is inside more in this package. So let's open this one, and here is the same booklet again. And no, this is not a booklet. This is just a flyer from the CEO of OnePlus, thanking us. Thanks for choosing us, the OnePlus. We have developed this. It's a small notice from the CEO of the co-founder of the OnePlus company. So let me put said that also. And here is the charger. As I told, this is the type C charger. You can see here, and the quality of this one is also good, and it's good looking, and it's written here dash, which means it's also supporting a dash charging. And this is the the adapter of power adapter of this one, and this is also in good quality. And the output of this one is 0.5 volt 4 ampere. Okay, and here on the top the SIM ejector is there, so you can use it if you want to get the SIM slot outside. So let's come back to the phone again. So here is the phone, and it is somewhat rounded on the edges, as like the OnePlus 3T. Now let's try turning on this one. So it's getting turned on. You can see here the logo is there, and there is the OnePlus logo, and it's written powered by Android, and it's looking good, and it's loading the OnePlus logo. Yes, the phone is on, as you can see here, and can see here it's all. We can go to the about phone section of this phone. You can see here it's written here. The phone name is OnePlus 5, and the Android version running is 7.1.1. I'll explain each and every specification of this phone one by one. And regarding the dimensions of this phone is actually having 154.2 as the length of this phone, and the width of this phone is 74.1 mm, and the thickness of this phone is 7.3 mm. Okay, and the weight of this phone is said as 153 gram, and it's actually a dual SIM which is supported by the dual nano SIM only. Okay, Regarding the dual back camera, one camera is actually 16 MP and other one is 20 MP, which is support the face detection, autofocus, and 1.6x optical zoom and dual LED flash. Okay, and regarding the features of the camera, it supports geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR and panorama, and the video is 2160p at the rate 330 fps and 1080p at the rate 30 or 60 frame per second, and 720p at the rate 30 or 120 frame per second. Okay, and the secondary camera here is of 16 MP and is located on this side, and is f bar 2.20 mm, and it's a gyro EIS 1080p and supporting auto HDR. Second camera actually zooms up and it's support the portrait mode. Okay, and it's written here the NFC sensor is here. Now talking about the display, it's actually 5.5 inches long here, and it's optic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 colors, and the resolution here said is 1080 and 1920 pixels with the 16:9 ratio, and it's actually multi-touch also. Okay, so checking the sides, it is having the volume rockers here, and the mute slider is here as we have on the iPhone. As I told regarding the memory, it's this phone is of variant 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM, and it's not having a card slot. Let's check the SIM card slot of this one. So let me take the SIM ejector from here, and let's try ejecting the SIM slot here. And here is the SIM slot where you can put the SIM 1 and SIM 2, and it's quite the normal one which all other phone is having. Just insert here. And regarding the sound of specification of this one, it has alert type vibration, MP3 wave and loudspeaker, and you can see here it is having the 3.5 mm jack here which normal phone is having, and the type C USB, and a single one speaker here. Okay, and regarding the connectivity, it has VLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, radio, and USB 2.0 and type C reversible connector. Okay, other sensor features, it has sensor, the fingerprint sensor here located, and it has the accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass. And about the battery, it has non-removable lithium polymer 3300 mAh battery. It's supporting the fast battery charging, which means which is actually the dash charge, and it has inbuilt photo and video editor inside this one, and the browser support is HTML5. Overall, the camera quality, I have checked it, the camera quality and handling is good in this one. And that's all about the OnePlus One quick specification review and unboxing. I have shown what all details inside available in our phone and in the package, and hope you enjoyed this one.